an unforgettable destination. It's not the biggest canyon in the world, but the Sharin Canyon in Kazakhstan is a spectacular example of natural beauty. The Sharin River, which flows from the Tian Shan Mountains down through the steppe, formed the canyon that is located 200 kilometers from Almaty. The 80-kilometer-long canyon, with its fresh water, trees, and many hiding places in the rocks, is an oasis in the difficult environment of the surrounding steppe. The breathtaking scenery is amazing. If you're fascinated by nature, then the Sharin Canyon is an ideal destination. There are many types of wildlife here, including steppe hares, foxes, Men's-Beer's marmots, snakes, lizards, and the Gymnodipticus daibowski fish. Rare ash trees grow at the bottom of the valley, and there is an ancient Ice Age forest nearby. The Sharin Valley is also a geologist's dream. Over thousands of years, the strong winds of the steppe have formed many interesting shapes in the rocks. One part of the canyon, the Valley of the Castles, has rocks that look like buildings. The canyon is very colorful, with striped red cliffs above black volcanic rocks. At sunset, everything changes, with mysterious shadows moving across the floor of the canyon. Visiting the Sharin Canyon is an unforgettable experience that has something for everyone.